Hello there guys, and in this Linux tutorial we are going to talk about updating your package list. Now before we go into how to install packages and related operations, let's first establish a rule, if I can call it a rule, and that is to always run the following command before any of the operations we will be doing in future tutorials, and that is always run sudo aptget update. Okay, and what this will do is it will actually check if there are more recent versions of packages available or if there are any new packages available. And to give you more context on that, your operating system has a list of packages. Before installing any packages, it is a good idea to tell the operating system to check if there are more recent versions of those packages or if there are any new packages available. And you need to do so with sudo apt-get update because you do need super user permissions to run the command. Okay, so this basically tells the operating system to kind of update its sources where it gets its packages from so that you get the latest packages. And again, remember to run this before any of the other commands we will learn later on in these tutorials. Although I don't think I will be installing any packages, I'll just kind of give you the syntax of the command, and then if you ever need to install packages, you can just revisit the tutorial, or I mean, honestly, you can just Google like how do I install a package, but just to kind of cover the syntax of all of those commands you will be using. Okay, but just remember that before doing any of the operations besides removing a package, so all of the operations besides removing a package, use this command to to uh, to update your package list. Okay, so hope you learned something useful, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.